know that AI can generate quick summaries, but enterprises often rely on being able to connect dots between mountains of content. And this is where deep research comes in. I'm Meena. I'm here with Ben Koo, CTO of Box, and we're here to break down what deep research is and why it matters. Ben, let's start with the basics. What is deep research?
Deep research is an AI term, and it refers to when you have AI not just answer questions that it was able to just know from its training or know from being able to reference some material, but actually does more extensive looking through different sources in a more sophisticated and more comprehensive report. So companies like OpenAI and Gemini from GCP and others have been able to do deep research on the internet, and they've been providing it for a little while now. And so you're able to get these comprehensive answers to these questions. In addition to now, companies like Box are letting you do deep research on your own proprietary data in your enterprise.
But how is this different from asking a AI a question today? Like if I asked Box AI a question today and I told it, hey,
Yeah.
give me this answer, structured in this format, make it super detailed. Am I doing deep research or is that something different?
Generally, the more complex you want your response, the more that you would call it, you would want to do deep research.
Okay.
We had talked about this previously and in different episodes. So at some point, you can just ask AI a question and you get an answer. And then we talked about how if you can provide it some background info, it'll give you a better answer. So what did you study in school?
Aerospace.
Aerospace. Okay. And so then if I were to ask you a question of like what is the latest details of hot staging, right? So what would your answer be?
I would first go to a library.
Okay.
I would look up all of the right textbooks.
And
I would review it.
yes. Yeah. And so if I handed you some of that, you'd be able to look through it and give an answer, right? So that's
Yeah.
just a basic AI answer. You read through it, you're able to do it quickly if you're AI, and you give an answer.
Right.
But if I said, okay, I want you to actually turn in a full report for a company, like if we hired you as a consultant to talk to them about some very advanced aerospace topic, you wouldn't just read through the topic and then give an answer, right? Like,
Right.
what would you do instead?
Well, I'd probably, again, look through that material, but I'd probably look through a lot more of that material. I'd want context.
Yeah.
I might look back. I might do some revisions.
Yeah.
I might ask you clarifying questions on
Yeah.
what you might want and,
Yeah.
and any specific thing that you're looking for, but
Yeah.
it definitely would not be instant.
Yes. And so this is, I think, the underlying key is that the more that you want a comprehensive report in the way that you would do it, you create an outline of it, you go through, you'd fill in sections. As you're reading through your source material, you kind of find other information that would then like make you do more research to review some data, some key facts that you found.
Oh, I
And
would
then,
go back. Yeah,
yeah.
that's true. Yeah.
And then you'd put it into a final report. And probably when you're done, you'd even go through and read it again and make sure it sounds right, make sure that there's nothing that's contradictory, there's no errors in it. And so this is the idea of deep research. It's much closer to what you would get from a professional consultant who was going to spend a lot of time on a question versus an expert, kind of who's like off the cuff giving you an answer to a specific question.
Got it. So that sounds really cool. It's giving a lot of academic vibes right now.
Yeah.
How does this relate to enterprises? Can you give me an example of, what enterprises couldn't necessarily do before deep research came along and now it's just sort of opened the door for them?
I think one of the reasons why a lot of people are pretty interested in deep research is because I think many people run into situations often where there's an important topic that they need to become quickly up to speed on. And in some cases, they don't actually even know fully what to ask to understand these kind of topics. So specifically, like imagine that you have an important presentation that you need to give to your boss on a relatively new topic, and you want to make sure that you've thought this through appropriately. And there's a series of information, maybe like scattered across different files, different documents, different PowerPoints, and so on. And you want to make sure that you have properly understood it all. And then can properly synthesize it and make it into a presentation. Or let's say you're joining a new project and you want to go through and understand all the background that's been up until now. I talked to a customer recently who was, they had this challenge of they had just been put on a case. There was a lawyer and it was this very complicated topic. And they needed to understand all the background of this complicated topic. And so this is the kind of thing that they use deep research for, which is to go through and to basically summarize for them. And because you prompt it, you ask what you want you want the deep research to do, and it's able to give you a customized report of exactly what you are looking for based on the data that it finds.
So it goes through, if I were to just recap the steps, it makes a plan, much like humans might.
Yeah.
It makes a plan. It thinks about what it needs to do to understand what information it needs to get in order to answer the question.
Yeah.
it would go then find the right information. So it would go look up relevant and also permissions aware.
Yes.
Right, which is very important for enterprise still, permissions aware, taking that into account, getting the right content. And then, like you said, it would iterate, right? Like revise what it had already gathered and then sort of almost critique itself.
Exactly.
Right?
In fact, that's the exact techniques. Almost everything you said in there is actually the agentic steps that would go into deep research. And this is also why it takes a while. Like you typically don't get a deep research answer measured in like seconds. It's usually it can be measured in minutes in some cases, or even tens of minutes for complicated topics. And you'll see it goes through many different sources. And it's just almost constantly processing, thinking, what do I need to do next? And it does make a plan. It reflects on it. It can create outputs, temporary plans, and so on, and go through it all. This is exactly like kind of the way that people do it, is how the AI's agents are able to do this kind of deep research step.
So it sounds like there could be many, many use cases for enterprises out there. And a lot of customers that we both speak to are often in these very heavily regulated, industries like healthcare, life sciences, education, even public sector. Are there any use cases there with deep research that might apply to them?
Yeah, I think that one of the keys of deep research is a very broad across industries. It's almost like having a professional assistant who can go off and you say, I need to learn a lot about this. Can you prepare for me a special topic? Like you hired a consultant to do it. And then I need to learn all about that. And it can be useful in many ways just for people to learn in a very comprehensive manner, but then also then to be able to take that information and then be able to then convert it to other things like presentations or other reports and so on.
So Ben, for enterprises tuning into our episode all about deep research today, what is the TLDR?
I think TLDR is that if you've ever wanted to use AI to get really comprehensive answers, and maybe in the past that you thought you weren't sure if you could trust the answers, or maybe in the past if you thought it wasn't wasn't giving you the complexity you're looking for, now something like deep research will be able to give you that kind of very detailed, holistic answer that is useful in many different situations.
Wow. Really great insights on what deep research is, why it's important to enterprises, and also going through that agentic framework steps that we just broke down for our viewers today. So thank you so much for tuning in. Tune in next time for more AI topics for enterprises.